ERC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is James Spann. This is the Weather Xtreme video for Thursday afternoon, the 15th day of January. Hey, it's cold outside, but we've known that for a while, haven't we? Let's go right to our Skycam shots around the network. First off, the Birmingham Skycam, downtown Birmingham. Temperatures there are sitting around the freezing mark. I think we've got 33 down there, but the wind chill index is way down in the 5 to 10 degree range. Mount Cheaha, they're showing 25 at mid-afternoon with a wind chill index of 2. And down in Demopolis, they're actually in the 40s way down there to the south. The Arctic air just moving in, but again, we're kind of watching the Tom Bigby, and the levels are slowly falling. The river will likely fall below flood stage at some point this weekend. Numbers tell the story, don't they? At mid-afternoon, that freeze line right through the Birmingham area, north of, say, Interstate 20, it's below freezing, in the 20s mainly. Way up north, we've got temperatures in the minus 20s. Up in parts of North Dakota and South Dakota, Chicago looks like they're sitting at 14 below zero. Down south, we got 50s down in South Alabama, but even down there, they'll get a really good freeze, especially by Saturday morning. Of course, the air coming in is cold and dry as a bone. No precipitation for the next couple of days. And again, this event Sunday still look like it will be starved for moisture. So there could be a few snowflakes or raindrops, but we don't think it will amount to much, as you'll see in a moment. Here's the modeling, the 12Z run, valid at noon tomorrow, noon on Friday. A whopper of a trough over the east. Down below that, a 1,040 millibar high north of Memphis. No change in our thinking. Tomorrow morning will be somewhere between 10 and 15 for most spots. And we'll wind up with a high only in the middle 30s, much like today. But the wind will not be as bad. So tomorrow should be a little more bearable, if you will. Saturday starting off the weekend, I think Saturday morning could be just as cold as tomorrow morning. So again, kind of plan on 10 to 15 degrees with pretty decent warm-up during the day. We should reach the 40s on Saturday afternoon. Sunday, here comes the lobe coming through the long wave trough. You can see northwest of the state. And boy, if we had some moisture, that could be a pretty good setup there for snow, but we just don't. This is suggesting there could be a few decent periods of rain down south, South Mississippi and South Alabama, but around here, maybe a little light rain, a little light snow, but it just doesn't look like a lot. And then Monday of next week, that feature is on by, and really a reinforcing surge of cold air drops in here. You know, that's going to be a pretty chilly day if that's right. That could mean highs in the 30s here. And Tuesday of next week, same deal, dry, cold in the morning, maybe around 20, warm up during the day into the mid to upper 40s. Wednesday of next week, maybe touching 50. Won't that be nice? And then Thursday, a week from today, looks like we got a crack at running at 60, if that's right, as the cold air retreats to the north. Go out there 6 more days, the 28th. Pretty good-looking shortwave showing up there. That's the first really decent rain event in the days ahead, if this is right. And then out there at the end of the month on the 31st, flow is zonal, polar jet way up north. And again, that's going to keep the cold air away. We think a moderating trend, a definite likelihood for the last week of this month as the North Atlantic Oscillation flips positive. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening. ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless. Weather.